Hey there. Hi. Hello. We are back with the Voss Coral Crush palette. I'm Nicole and we're going to be building a coral look. As you guys may know, I love orange all day. So we are going to be building a really pretty look using this palette. I've heard good things. I'm excited. The thing about coral colors is they really strongly remind me of vacation. So I think that's one of the reasons I really like them. We're going to start out with papaya. For those of you that don't watch my channel regularly, I am nearly 50. I'm 49 in several months. I have oily combination skin. I have facial scarring, uneven tone, eczema, nearly 50, so all those little tiny wrinkles and lines. And I am by no stretch of the imagination a makeup artist. I'm a tattoo artist. So my makeup application is not as consistent or as beautiful as many of the talented makeup artists out there. Nonetheless, I come from the perspective of a makeup enthusiast, of which I know there's a lot more of us than there are of makeup artists. So I'm going to list all the products that I've used in the description. So if you're curious, for example, what primer I have on, feel free to read the description. And as always, like, comment, and share. I have slightly hooded eyes, so bear that in mind. And I'm sure you can hear my dog in the background testing because he's not in my makeup room. He's having a rough time with it. Next, we're gonna go into a little bit of peony, which is a very pinky pink. And I'm feathering that upwards. This is, so far, very pigmented and pretty darn blendable. Next, I'm going in with peachy. I really like the peachy. It's great. This palette is paraben free. I don't do terribly well with parabens. This is Glow Up. And I'm going in with BFF for my cat's eye. And the waterline. Oh, the protests of the dogs are many this morning. We have 3 dogs. They are Argentine Mastiffs, and they are amazing. You're gonna meet them at some point. Not right now, because they're wound up, clearly. I'm not putting any more product on, I'm just kind of blending that a little better. Pina colada. This is Escape. BFF wasn't quite as dark as I hoped, so I'm just going to build up that tone with a little bit of Escape. It's much better. Taking a little bit of lounging, and I'm stippling that over the pina colada at the top, just to make the transition a little less harsh. I'm using really pretty light pressure. Nicer. Now I have a lot of facial scarring, so around my eye area, particularly this eye. So I never get quite an even blend because I have such a severe set of scars. But I try real hard. I'm going in with Passion on the front part of my waterline. This is probably going to be my favorite new palette for a little while because I'm just such a fan of pink and orange. Have a Too Faced Peach palette, which I really like, but it's a matte. This one's got lots of sparkles in it. And who doesn't love a good sparkle now and then? I love a good sparkle. All right, I'm going in with Shore, my inner corner. Which is definitely mixing with the passion on the brush. That's what I get for not using a new brush. Okay, so I'm gonna do my eyeliner, and then I'll come back and talk about my impressions. So I mentioned yesterday I got a new set of lights, and I think that you can probably see what I'm doing a lot better. The downside is it is bright as a mofo in here. It is crazy. It is so bright now. I feel like I'm on a stage. I guess I am because I'm on YouTube. So I normally don't curl my lashes or wear faux lashes, but I was feeling like curling them and I got out my eyelash curler and it is broken. That's how long it's been since I've curled my eyelashes, because I don't think I've done it in probably 6 months. I don't know, it's just not something I normally do. Maybe I should. So anyway, if you guys have a recommendation for an epic eyelash curler, please leave me a comment below because I 100% need a new one. So I love this color. It's very orange. I do not love the doe foot. The doe foot on the applicator, which I have other lipsticks of this particular variety, which is the Wet n Wild Mega Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick. But the doe foot feels on that one like it's about to pop off at any minute. And just for the sake of funsies, I'm gonna go over that with my NARS Orgasm. So for me, the NARS Orgasm, I had high hopes for because I think it's an absolutely beautiful color in the body, in the bottle. But it's a bottle full of lies. This doesn't show on me personally, so this is going to be relegated to a gloss on top of other colors because it does not show. So what do you think? I love it. Yay! Please like, subscribe, and share, and I will be back soon. But my final impression, this is amazing. I really, really like it. 18 color shadows and pressed pigments. It is 32.4 grams. It is, I believe, don't quote me on, I believe it's $42 or maybe $48 on Sephora. And this is not a sponsored video, of course. This is not an affiliated video. I bought these products with my own money. This is my own unfiltered opinion. I really, really like it. If you have something you want to say, hit the comments, smash the like button, and I will see you next time.